Guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri. So today I'm going to make a review slash makeup tutorial using this one brand which is called Focallure. I don't know the correct pronunciation. Is it Focallure? Is it Focallure? Is it Focallure? But I'm going to pronounce it as Focallure. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, before kita start look into all the products, please excuse my background yang tak berapa nak cantik ni. These are all the products that I bought. Dalam ni ada eyeshadow, ada brushes, ada makeup sponge, ada brows, ada liquid lipstick. So we are going to look into all these products sambil-sambil kita makeup, sambil-sambil kita borak. Okay, this one is called Focallure Flawless Liquid Concealer Cover Cream. Okay, harga dia RM5, RM5.80 and I ambil shade 02. Dia actually ada 4 shades, warm ivory, natural, beige dengan medium beige. So I pilih 02 sebab I rasa ni sesuai untuk highlight bawah mata I yang gelap ni. Here, and I akan bubuh sikit kat sini. Okay, so kita buka. Okay, dia macam ni. Okay, I akan bubuh bawah mata. I akan blend dengan makeup sponge dia, beauty blender dia. Beauty blender dia lembut gila. Very like fluffy and soft. Okay, yang ni I dapat free sebab I beli dia punya eyeshadow tau. Tapi actually you can also buy this one. Okay, this one is Focallure Soft Complexion Cosmetic Puff and harga dia RM5. Okay, so I akan blend. Kita dah settle untuk under eye concealer. Okay, foundation that I'm going to use is this one. Focallure Covermax Liquid Foundation 18 Hour Long Wear. Okay, I beli ni dengan harga RM22.90. Shades dia ada banyak. Ada 20 shades. Terus lah, I ambil shades 10. Okay, this is how the foundation looks like. Cantik kan? This bottle is frosted glass guys. Packaging nice. Colour pun I rasa colour ni okay untuk my skin tone. Okay, so jom kita try. Macam biasa I akan bubuh dekat tangan I dulu. Kita try one layer dulu, tengok macam mana. And then kalau kita rasa macam perlu tambah, then kita tambah. Okay, after first layer, I still ada nampak I punya parut. Okay, I ada banyak parut dekat jawline I ni. And I rasa dia still visible. I akan bubuh lagi second layer. Just to see how, the coverage of the foundation. Okay, so on the second layer, I rasa dia dah almost tutup I punya parut-parut tu. Okay, what we can see here, this foundation is buildable, medium to full coverage, and dia punya finishing, dia claim dekat kotak ni, dia cakap covermax matte foundation. And I rasa yes, dia punya finishing is matte, tapi matte dia tak macam kering tau. Ada certain foundation, dia matte dia bila you apply, you kena cepat-cepat blend supaya dia tak cepat kering and susah nak blend lah. The product tak terlalu kering, so it's quite good. Okay, lepas kita dah buat foundation, sekarang kita akan try dia punya brows. Okay, this one is Focallure waterproof long lasting eyebrow cream. Okay, I beli shades 03 dark brown. Actually dia ada 5 colours and harga dia RM5.50. Dia datang macam ni. And actually dia datang sekali dengan mini brush. This is how it looks like. Okay, I rasa shade yang I ambil ni terang untuk kulit I, tapi it's okay lah. Colour dia macam red brown kan. I sepatutnya ambil yang pekat sikit lagi, tapi tak apalah, since yang ni je colour yang kita ada. So yeah, so kening kita dah siap, and then kita move on to the next step. Okay, sekarang kita akan pakai this one, which is Focallure Face Highlight and Contour Powder Palette. I beli in the shade of 02. 02 ni dia ada 2 colour, which is Capricose and Jasmine. So kita akan tengok dalam dia. Cantik kan? This one harga dia RM26. Packaging cantik, very nice, very sleek. Dia datang dengan cermin yang agak besar, and then this is the colour that I chose. Okay, dia ada 2. I think this one is Capricose, this one is Jasmine. Since Jasmine ni, it looks like more like powdery, I rasa I akan set guna this powder. And this one kita akan contour later on. This makeup brushes, harga dia RM19.90, and harga asal dia cakap RM120, tapi I rasa tak mungkin lah dengan kualiti dia ni. I can tell that bukanlah harga sampai RM120, tapi for RM19.90 I beli this one. Sangat berbaloi sebab ada 6 pieces. So I'm going to use this fluffy brush untuk set my face. Okay, after kita dah set muka kita, tada! Okay, ini eyeshadow dia. Ini ialah Focallure Go Travel 15 Colors Eyeshadow Palette. Dia ada banyak. Okay, yang I beli ni Turkey, dia ada Paris, Prague and Perth. So dia ada 4 lah. Dan harga dia ialah RM37. So dalam ni ada 16 shades. Okay, dia datang dengan cermin yang besar, and then this is the colours. Cantik kan? I dah try dah. Memang cantik colour-colour dia. I akan mix these two, this one and this one. Antalya mix with baklava. I akan bubuh dekat eyelid I. Make sure you tap sebab dia punya formula tu a bit powdery. Okay, so I akan gunakan another brush, and I akan ambil shades Kekova, dan I akan letak dekat crease eye. Flat brush this one, and I akan ambil shades Kekova tadi, and I akan bubuh bawah mata. We're done with the second colour, and then I akan gunakan shades Golden Horn. This one, I akan gunakan jari I, and I akan letak dekat eyelid eye, tapi from inner corner to half of my eyes lah. I nak deepkan lagi hujung ni, so I akan ambil shade Marmaris. Here, Marmaris. I akan blend dekat hujung ni. Okay, so kita dah settle dengan eyeshadow. Okay, so next product kita akan try Focallure All Day Long Lasting Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, this one harga dia RM5.50. So this is how it looks like. Dia punya tip very sharp guys. So I tunjuk kat korang betapa color black dia tu memang very dark. Kita pakai eyeliner. Okay, actually I ada beli lagi satu eyeliner. Okay, this one Focallure Glitter Liquid Eyeliner. Harga dia RM8.20. It comes with 5 colours. I beli this one in color 01 Platinum. So I akan bubuh this liquid eyeliner on top of my black eyeliner. Tapi sikit je. Okay, kita dah siap eyeliner part. And then next kita akan try dia punya mascara. Okay, first make sure you curl your lashes. This one is Focallure 3D Black Curl Mascara Lasting Eye Makeup. Okay, so kita akan tengok dalam dia macam mana. This one harga dia RM6.50 je. Okay, this is how it looks like. Macam ni. Okay, since kita buat heavy eye look, so I akan bubuh fake eyelashes. So I'll be right back. Okay, dah bubuh eyelashes. Now kita akan try dia punya blusher. I beli 2 types of blusher, satu liquid blusher, satu powder blusher. So for liquid blusher I beli 2 shades, B01 and B02, Sherry and Tequila. So this one nama dia Focallure Hangover Liquid Blush Natural Cheek Face Makeup. Harga dia RM17.40. Ada 5 colours. So hari ni I akan pakai shades Tequila sebab this B02 ni dia macam shades dia more to macam orange and this one like pink since eye makeup look I pun colour pink, so we're going to use B01. So this is how it looks like, the bottle B01. Then kita akan try dia punya powder blush. Focallure Blush Powder Natural Blusher. Harga dia RM5.20. Ada 11 colours. And I ambil shades B06. B06 ni ialah Charisma. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Pakai brush eye, I akan put on top of the liquid blusher yang kita apply tadi. Okay, so we're done with blusher. Kita pergi balik dekat scalp glow ni. Kita akan contour guna this color. Contour sikit. I akan gunakan brush yang ni. Brush ni dah buruk dah, tengoklah. Okay, kita dah siap contouring, and then kita akan move on to lipstick. Okay, for lipstick, Focallure Stay Max Matte Lipstick. Harga dia RM8.90. Tapi I beli satu je. This one 08 Phuket. In that it infused with jojoba oil, carrot extract and vitamin E. Harga murah RM8.90. You can get this kind of formula, memang sangat bagus lah. So I akan swatch untuk korang. Here. So colour dia pinkish macam tu, baby pink. Okay, dia punya applicator pun bagus sebab kalau korang perasan dekat dia punya applicator tu kat tengah-tengah tu dia ada dent tau. Senang lah untuk kita apply dekat our lips. Saya akan bubuh sikit. So basically we're done with our look today. Okay, what do you guys think? Cantik tak? Overall, I rasa brand Focallure ni sangat-sangatlah berbaloi. Dia punya in terms of packaging, in terms of formula, in terms of the price, memang sangat-sangat berbaloi. Macam you expect this kind of formula will be like above RM30, but most of the product bawah RM30. So memang sangat-sangat berbaloi, especially beginner, siapa yang baru nak try belajar makeup. You guys should try this brand. Compared to if you buy dekat drugstore pun bagus juga. But this one you can buy like complete range. Like you can get the glitters, you can get the concealer, you can get the contour palette dengan harga kalau for all pun probably less than RM200. You can get a lot of stuff. So I rasa memang sangat-sangat berbaloi. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe for my channel so that it will makes me happy and I will make more videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.